Dear visitors and subscribers of my channel, today I will tell you about the browser hijacker called GetSearchConverter. It is also known under the name of the website getsearchconverter.com, which promotes a special extension called GetSearchConverter. The developers of this service promised that by installing the extension you'll be able to convert some files into various file formats, for instance to PDF format or vice versa. Also, the extension claims it can help you converting currency, cryptocurrency, and give you other handy tools. And indeed, they might be handy for some people, but the point is that this getsearchconverter.com additionally hijacks the default search engine. So once the GetConverter or GetSearchConverter extension is installed by mistake, users notice some strange redirections in their browser. So when they submit some search queries, they see that somehow the search queries are redirected through mybrowser-search.com, which is obviously a fake search engine. And no matter what particular search queries you submit, you still experience this browser redirection issue. This is all because of this extension currently in place. So to get rid of the extension, you need to go to the menu, which looks as this circle with three vertical dots. Click on More Tools and click on Extensions. You need to locate and delete any suspicious extensions. You may simply deactivate them or remove them completely. I also recommend that you perform the additional investigation of your Mac with Combo Cleaner, which is the reliable security software specifically for Mac, and you may get it on this official page, combocleaner.com. So click on Start Combo Scan and the software will begin free analysis of your Mac. Some features in Combo Cleaner are absolutely free. They are disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. Let me show you how to get rid of the malware for free with Combo Cleaner report. So after the scanning is completed, go to the antivirus section and click on Review Results. You will find the detailed location of each specific threat that was found during the scan. So you may go to the specific threat, and this will show you its location. You may open this location through your Finder and remove this particular threat manually, or you may consider upgrading to premium version of Combo Cleaner to get rid of all these threats automatically.